हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे भी सिंपल सिंपल चीजें समझते हैं जब बोले जाए तो, क्योंकि उनको कान से इंग्लिश सिखाई जा रही है, किताब से नहीं। सिर्फ किताब से नहीं, कान से भी सिखाई जा रही है। देखो ये चौपी चौपी कर, इसको चौपी एक बार सुनने को मिल गया, चौपी सीख गए। ठीक है, बच्चे के दिमाग में वर्ड्स जल्दी बैठ जाते हैं। हम्म The best thing I felt about Prisha's mother told me, sir, उसके लिए मैं वो सब नहीं सोच रही कोर्स, बस उसको रखना है आपके पास. She will get the environment because she doesn't get the environment elsewhere. I said that's how parents should feel about learning. कुछ पेरेंट्स इतने बेवकूफ होते हैं, वो सोचते हैं कि बच्चे ना 4 महीने 6 महीने का कोर्स करेंगे और इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, जैसे आप लोग बोल रहे हैं बड़े. कुछ अभी मतलब 4 महीने वो बड़े हो जाएंगे जैसे इंग्लिश में कोर्स कर लिया इसलिए.
Sad to see her face.
ना, she's just tired and sleepy. She's not sad.
She earns about £25,000 a year. The people she works £5,000 a year. She earns about 25,000
She earns a good salary. She earns a good salary. She earns about 25,000 pounds a year.
£1,000 a year. The people she works with are really nice.
The people she works with are really nice. The people she works with are really nice.
Really
Who is
nice.
nice? Who is nice?
The people.
The people. Which people?
She was.
The people she
She
works
works with.
with. No,
She
no, the
works
people
with.
she works with. The people she works with are really nice.
Nice.
The people she works with are really nice. The people she works with are really nice.
Nice.
अब बोलिए जिन लोगों के. Yes, your papa is nice. Okay, another example sentence. The people I study with, जिन लोगों के साथ हम पढ़ते हैं. The people I study with are very
study
nice and friendly. Are very nice and friendly. कुछ और बोलो. पागल लोग के साथ रहते हैं हम, बता रहे हैं तुमको, पगला दिया हमको भी सब. ठीक है. Sometimes you say things like this. In English you say, the people
I live with.
I live with are crazy. The people I live with are crazy. Easy? अच्छा. अब people के जगह एक आदमी की बात करते हैं तो the person बोलेंगे, the boy, the girl. अरे जिस लड़के को हम प्यार करते हैं ना, वो अंधा है, इसीलिए मेरे से प्यार कर. अच्छा चलो ठीक. कैसे बोलेंगे? The
The
person,
boy
the boy
I love.
I love is
I
blind.
love.
The person I love is who is blind? Which person? Which person? The person I love, the person she loves, right, beta, is blind. जिन दो बच्चों को हम पढ़ाते हैं, छोटे बच्चों को हम पढ़ाते हैं, बड़े इंटेलिजेंट हैं. कैसे बोलूंगा? The two young kids I teach are very intelligent. The two young kids I teach are very intelligent. ठीक है. अरे जिस लड़की से हम प्यार करते हैं ना, हमसे शादी नहीं करना चाहती है. The girl I love.
I love.
जिस, उसका कोई इंग्लिश नहीं हो रहा है, गौर से देखिएगा ना. जिसका ना उसका, कुछ नहीं. The girl I love doesn't want to marry me, wants to marry my father because he has more money. Because he has more money. Yeah, my papa has more money. That's why. Okay. थोड़ा सा ऊटपटांग सेंटेंस बोलना चाहिए ना.
Why those people have more money?
Old people have more money because they've earned for a long time, right? Yeah. Okay.
And young people.
Sometimes young people also have a lot of money because they have a bigger job. Okay, चलो देखो. और सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. जिन लोगों के साथ हम झगड़ा करते हैं, the people I quarrel with, the people I quarrel with. जिन लोगों के साथ हम काम करते हैं,
The people I work with.
the people I work with. जिन लोगों के साथ हम रहते हैं,
The people I live with.
the people I live with are very friendly. The people I live with are very friendly. जिन लोगों को हम पढ़ाते हैं,
The people
the
I
students
teach.
I teach, the students I teach are very respectful to me. Respectful to me. The students I teach are very respectful to me. जिन बच्चों को हम पढ़ाते हैं, जिन लोगों को हम पढ़ाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. The students I teach are very respectful to me. Got it? Easy? So that was a very important sentence. The people she works with are really nice.
And what does Angela do in her free time?
And what does Angela do in her free time? What does Angela do in her free time?
I think she walks with her dog.
I think she walks with her dogs. ऐसे कुत्ते को पकड़ लेते हैं, है ना? ऐसे रस्सी में. She walks with her dogs. ऐसे. और देखना अगला बार.
And her husband,
And her
Brian.
husband, Brian.
What about
Dogs and her husband, Brian. She walks with her dogs and her husband, Brian.
Toby?
Brian?
What-
And what about Toby? Don't you know who Brian is? We are talking about Brian. Brian Law, the train driver. Here, this man. This motu man. See, this man is Brian. He's a train driver. Look at his cheeks. Like, 50 रुपए का कचौड़ी, एक. Big size. Yeah? King size kachori. One kachori is enough for the whole family. That kind of kachori it is. You buy one kachori and the whole family eats. And look at the smile he has, Brian.
Brian is head is a small chin and back is
He has a big chin, right?
big chin.
Yeah, when you eat too much chocolate, then this is what happens. Okay, so avoid eating too much chocolate. He drives fast-speed trains and look at his body. Yeah, because he doesn't walk. He should walk to Paris instead of driving train.
Walk yesterday at night
You walked yesterday at night. Good.
to buy some material
What
Yeah.
materials?
things,
What things?
household.
Household things. Like what? Oil, salt,
Yes,
and green vegetables.
not the green grocer, only grocer.
Okay. What did you go to buy? Oil.
Biscuit,
You went to buy biscuits and
oil,
oil,
sugar
sugar. You went to buy these things alone
with father.
with Papa. Yeah, that's fine. Do not go to the market alone at night
Why, sir?
because you are a small child and there are bad people outside. Okay, you're not safe outside. That's why.
The dog is bite.
Dogs will only bite, but there are people who can kidnap, So that's why do not go out alone at night when it is dark. Children should not go out at night.
I am walk outside with father.
With Papa, you're safe, no problems. You can go anywhere with Papa, but
And-
not alone. Don't go alone. Yeah, with mom as well, you're fine, but do not go alone. Okay.
What does he do?
With cousin.
What does he do?
He's a teenager.
He's a teenager. Toby is a teenager. वो तो teenager है. Teenager क्या करता है?
He sleeps,
He sleeps. All teenagers sleeps. Teenagers sleep. बाकी करते क्या? दोपहर में सोते हैं. उन लोगों का तो काम है. They sleep.
goes to bed late,
अब देख लो अपने आप को कब जाते हो सोने. 12 बजे 1 बजे पहले सोते हो आप लोग.
and listens to loud music.
And listens to loud music. He's a teenager. अब देखना रिएक्शन.
Of course. Silly question.
Of course, silly question. पूछने का कोई फायदा नहीं था, बेवकूफी वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा. Of course, silly question. एज से पता चल जाता क्या करेगा. A silly question is not a smart question. Smart people don't ask silly questions. Silly people ask silly questions. All right. For example, what is your name, Janvi?
My name.
Arey, this is a silly question because I know your name. That's why I'm saying, what's your name, Janvi? And you're also answering. This is a silly question, right? Yeah. So what does Toby do? He's a teenager. He sleeps, he goes to bed late, and he listens to loud music. Yeah. Ready for a practice? You have
Yes,
the
sir.
conversation in the group. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me about Angela. Angela Law is 36 years old. I'm looking at Aditi's text. Aditi beta, you have written the text now? Okay, I'm looking at that text.
My father is also written text.
Tell me about Angela. Angela Law is 36 years old and she is married to Brian. Capital B beta, okay? Does she have any children? Okay. By mistake, it's a typing error beta. You have not written have, okay? But that's a typing error, not a problem. It's a typing error. Does she have any children? Oh, yes. She has a son, Toby. How old he कैसे बोल सकते बेटा? क्या लिखा आपने?
Old he.
ये बोल is he? How old is he? ऐसे नहीं लिख रहा था. He's 16, I think. Yes,
Yes.
he is 16.
He's 16.
16, yeah. And what does he do? Well, he's a student at college. Oh, right. Does he have a job? Does he have a job?
Job.
देखना बेटा, देखना वहाँ. हाँ, बेटा, share your mobile phone with her. Haven't you brought? Okay. You give your mobile to these two and you look, beta, you look at his mobile. Yeah. Yeah. Does he have a job? Yeah, he has a Saturday job. He works in a shop. I think he earns about 30 to 35 pounds for the day. What about Angela? What does she do? Angela works as a chef, not is a chef. Angela works as a chef. Chef के तौर पे काम करती है. She works as a chef.
Sir, can I ask?
Wait. She works as a chef in a French restaurant. एक French restaurant में काम करते. In a French restaurant. Correction करते चलना अगर कर सकते तो. In a French restaurant. Really? Really? Very good. No, it was really well. है ना? चलो कोई नहीं. Yeah, she earns a good salary. नहीं लिखा तुमने? She earns a good salary. क्या है वो sentence? She earns a good salary. How much? She earns, देखो गलत सलत लिखा गया है. तुमने खुद से लिखा या किसी ऐप का सहारा लिया? तो she earns का क्या मतलब निकलेगा? तो earns का मतलब क्या निकला? जल्दी जल्दी में भी तो कैसे निकला? She earns about. ये लिखा कैपिटल है. मैं बताता हूँ, आज हर चीज को आप करने के लिए चीटिंग आज के डेट में आसान है. अच्छा ठीक है, तो गलती से यहाँ टाइप हो गया, राइट? वहां शायद आंजी लिखा हो. कॉपी में शो मी योर कॉपी एट होम. ओके, याद रखना मैं आपके पीछे नहीं पढ़ूंगा. आप सब एडल्ट्स हो. अब मैं ओके बेटा रिलैक्स. आई एम टीचिंग एडल्ट्स हियर. सारे के सारे एडल्ट्स बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. 18 साल 19 साल 20 साल के लोग बैठे हैं. बच्चे नहीं बैठे हैं. ओके ओके, वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट. तो याद रखना मैं आपके पीछे नहीं पढ़ूंगा. मैं आपको बता दूंगा, समझा दूंगा, उसके बाद बात खत्म. मेरे क्लास में 40 साल 45 साल 50 साल के लोग होते हैं. मैं पीछे पढ़ूंगा? करो करो करो, बिल्कुल नहीं. इट इज माई जॉब टू टेल देम व्हाट इज राइट. ठीक है, आपको अच्छा लगे मैं आपको बच्चे ट्रीट करूंगा? बिल्कुल नहीं. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू एंड देन यू हैव टू डू इट. ठीक है, अगर आप उसमें कुछ भी करो उलट पलट तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विल बी योर्स. बच्चों के साथ मैं अलग पेश आता हूँ बेटा, क्योंकि वो बच्चे हैं, राइट? बट नॉट विद एडल्ट्स. Mutassir has written as well. She has a good salary. She earns a good salary, beta. She earns a good salary, Mutassir. Yeah. How much? She earns about. She has earned नहीं बेटा. She earns. अब सोचो ना वो कमाती है, यही तो बोलना चाहते हैं. तो वो कमाती है कैसे बोल सकते हैं? एक ही ऑप्शन है. She earns.
Mana.
She earns. एक ही ऑप्शन है हमारे पास.
Sir, earn.
हाँ, yes. Prince has also written the audio script. Well done, Prince. No question mark. She earns a good salary. No question mark. How much? Question mark. She earns about 25,000 pounds a year. The people she works with are really nice. Well done. And what does Angela do in her free time? I think she walks with her dogs and her husband, Brian. What about Toby? What does he do? He's a teenager. He sleeps, goes to bed late, and listens to loud music. Loud to music, nahi, listens to loud music. Of course, silly question, right? Yeah. How old is he? He is ये जो है ना ER लिख रहा है ऐसे जब करता है कोई उसको लिखने का तरीका ER ओके ऐसे आवाज करते हैं सोचने के लिए तो उसको कागज पे कैसे लिखते हैं उस को ER ओके ER ऐसे Prince has written with less mistakes. Prince, you have done a good job बेटा. जब आपकी समझ बनेगी ना तो आपके लिखने में ना करेक्शन ज्यादा आता जाएगा गलतियां कम होंगी. Good. Well. Aiza, well. Yes, she earns a good salary. Good. Jishan, you have also written, right? Good job. Angela works as a chef in a French restaurant. Angela works as a chef. I work as a teacher. Angela works as a chef. Really? Well. She earns a good salary. How much? She earns about, earns is missing. Okay, Jishan. बताइए बेटा, बताइए. She earns about 25,000 pounds a year. The people she works with are really nice. The people she works with are really nice. Everybody, you can look at Prince's audio script. Prince has made less mistakes. Okay? उसका बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ है. You guys can check with his. और फिर मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग में भी तो आप देखोगे. मैंने एक्सप्लेन करा आज. So you can watch the audio script.
Audio script.
She earns a good salary. Okay, Farzeen, good job. सब लोगों ने मेहनत की, मुझे अच्छा लगा. ऐसे ही अपना काम करना. और हाँ, मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है, ये कहने की चीज नहीं है. आपके सामने मैं बैठा हूं. I worked very hard for my English. Okay? And I'm very happy with the way my English changed. There was a time I was embarrassed of my pronunciation. चलो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं कॉन्वर्सेशन. Shall I open the breakout room session? वहां आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ. ओके? और दिमाग लगा के करना, माइंडलेस तरीके से नहीं करना. माइंडलेस तरीका पता है ना, दिमाग नहीं लग रहा बस मुंह चल रहा है, वो नहीं करना. हर बार सोचना समझना बोलना, सुनने में भी सोचना समझना. ओके? क्या सुन रहे हैं. Everybody go to the breakout room. My hostel students practice with each other.
Ranveer.
Come on, everybody.
Sir, how did I conversation
Yeah, you two can practice with each other.
with your mobile?
Okay. And go and sit on that.
Why, sir? Why, sir? Sir, but why?
What do so that you can practice well. Trains by years. Text. Okay. Sit and practice. Go. Go.
I'll also go there.
Shabnam beta.
But what I'll take?
Sania, Barzeen, please go to the breakout room and practice. Okay, Shabnam is there. I'm putting some more people. Dilshad. Go Dilshad.
Okay.
Shabnam, go back, Shabnam. I know you are alone. I'm sending somebody there. Go. Suhani, go. Sanya beta,
Yes, sir.
go to the breakout room. Aiza, go to the breakout room. Aiza, go to the breakout room.
Brian, anything there, brain.
It doesn't matter. Use Brian. Okay. Vidya, you want to practice? Come here. Do you have your phone with you? You haven't brought your phone? Oh. Rishikesh, your internet is bad.
Yes, sir.
Practice again. Gudiya, you have to fix your network problem. Gudiya, go to room number 2.
Okay.
Well, Angela Law is 36 years old and she's married to Brian. Oh, yes, she has a son, Toby.
How old he? 30.
पढ़ाया मैंने क्या, वो गलत लिखा है तो गलत बोल दो। मेरे से पूछो, मेरे ऊपर आर यू बोला ना, यहाँ यू के लिए क्या, यू के लिए तो आर, डी के लिए बोलो। आप सोच रहे हैं तो ये दिमाग पहले लगना चाहिए, मतलब बताने के बाद नहीं, है ना, और मेहनत कर रहे हैं। He is 16, I think. Yeah, he is 16.
Does he do?
Well, he's a student at college.
Oh, right. Does he have a job?
Yes, he has a Saturday job. Prince, why did you leave Itrat? Why didn't you practice with her? Prince? Prince, why didn't you practice with Itrat?
Oh, right. Does he have a job?
Yeah, he has a Saturday job. He works in a shop. I think he earns about 30 to 35 pounds for the day.
What about in-law?
आराम से।
What about in-law?
अच्छा, एंजेला भी तो कितने बार सुने तो भूल गए कि एंजेला नाम को।
नहीं।
नर्वस हो रही है। Don't be nervous.
What about now? What does he do? He do?
Angela works as a chef in a French restaurant.
Angela works as a chief.
You made answer. Angela works as a chef in a French restaurant. Really? Ah, well. भूल गई आप, जैसे वो कल सुन, आप आगे कल सुन क्या होगा वापस आपका बहुत मेहनत कर सकते हो, नहीं पता बार आप सुनेंगी, लेकिन उतना सुना काफी नहीं है। इसे बताइए, 4-5 रोटी खाना, थोड़ा सा सब्जी खाना, जिंदा रहेगा। लेकिन जो बहुत बीमार है उसको तो दूध दवा सब चाहिए होता है ना।
इसको सुनने में
ऐसी रोज करिए, ओके, ठीक है। दिमाग भी चल रहा था सुनने की तरफ कि क्या बोल रहा है क्या नहीं बोल रहा है। प्रिंस, व्हाई डिड यू लीव द ब्रेकआउट रूम?
ना कि इसके बाद ये लगेगा, वो मेरे माइंड में सारा चीजें बोलने
नहीं, बोलना नहीं है, सुनना है। Prince, you left the breakout room. Why? Your partner was there. Prince. Network. अब इसके साथ सुनना है, सामने ये प्ले रख करके उसके बाद सुनना है, ठीक है? ठीक है, घर जाइएगा तो ये रहेगा, साथ में प्ले करना, देखना है कि अच्छा को बोल रहा है, ठीक है? प्रिंस का देखिएगा, प्रिंस का।
Network is unstable.
Yes, I could see
Unstable,
that. I could see that your
Hello?
network is not stable, right? Even आर्यन का भी सही है, okay? इनका भी आप देख सकते हो, आर्यन का भी देख सकते हो, ठीक है? Okay, friends. I am giving you the homework. Homework is the next page. I put it in the group, okay? I put the next page in the group. This is homework for you for tomorrow. So I'm wrapping up for today. जरा बतूल बेटा, आप दो लोग के साथ थे ब्रेकआउट रूम में, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस हुई, सुना आपने, बातचीत सुनी उनकी?
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा, Also spend time listening to the audio. अभी जो डिवाइस है ना परफेक्ट डिवाइस है, आप बहुत अच्छे साफ सुनाई पढ़ रहे हो, दिखाई पढ़ रहे हो, अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो रही है, इसी डिवाइस पे करना, ठीक है? कोई परेशानी नहीं है। ओके
Okay, sir.
यस गुड। इस तरह से पढ़ोगे तो बहुत आसान रहेगा। आपको मैं दिख रहा हूँ स्क्रीन पे, मैं दिख रहा हूँ आपको? कैन यू सी मी?
Yes, sir.
मैं आपको सुनाई दे रहा हूँ? कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
गुड। ऐसे ही पढ़ना है बच्चे, ठीक है ना? A good device is very necessary, you know, when you are attending the class online. A good microphone, good camera. Fine. So we are wrapping up now. We will continue tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.